How to use Google Notebook full tutorial for beginners. Now to use Google LM, here I will break it down in steps starting from how to find it to practical example on how to use it. Number one, how to find it, but don't forget Google Notebook is a AI tool that converts file like PDF into podcast for clear understanding. Now, number one, how to find Google Notebook LM. Now, open your search engine. Here on the search engine, click on the search bar, type Google Notebook LM or type https dot double dot slash notebooklm.google.com. Now click on search. Now slide down till you find Google. Here is it. Now click on it. Number two, how to sign in. Here click on try Notebook LM. Now wait for it to open. As you can see, I've signed in, but follow the sign in processes here. Now number three, how to find Google Notebook LM settings. To find Google Notebook LM settings, click here. Here is the settings. Here you can turn on the brightness. You see it, you can change it to night mode, to light mode, to sunny and to morning. You can see it. Here is where you can find each settings. Now number four, how to find your profile. Now to find your profile in Google Notebook LM, click here. Here is where you can find your profile. You see it. You can go back to the home menu by clicking here, cancel icon. You see it. Now number five, how to know more about Google Notebook LM. Now here to find source solution, slide up, click on the setting icon here, click on this question icon. Now wait for it to load. This will take us to the Google Notebook LM Help Center. Here you can describe your issue here, and also you can find problem solved or know more about Google Notebook LM. You see it. Now to go back, just click on your back navigation. Now you can also find some help guide on Google Notebook LM by sliding down here. You can see it, Introduction to Notebook LM. You see it. Number six. Now here I will show you practical example, but here I will use PDF file for it to summarize it for me and also give me clear understanding about it. First, I will click on this new notebook. Wait for it. Now upload it by clicking on this uploading source. Now go to where you keep the file or the PDF file, any file you want it to give you clear understanding about it. Now go there. Now select the file by clicking on it. Now wait for it to do its work. Now here is what makes it unique. By clicking on this note guide and then click on generate, it will generate a podcast that will give you clear understanding about the PDF. As you can see, it is generating. This might take a few minutes, but it's worth it. While it's generating the podcast, here are some suggestion questions the AI wants you to ask, which he thinks that might be helpful for you. You see it. And also you can type your own by clicking here, start typing and type it. and then after typing it, click on this send arrow icon here. You can also customize the audio overview by clicking here and then choose one of the example or type the example based on what you want the AI to focus on. Now let's go back and be waiting for it to generate the audio overview. Now after waiting for some minutes, it has generated the audio overview. Now let's know how this works.
Like an internship on steroids or something.
Yeah, you could say that SIWE stands for
I was going to ask what it stood for.
Student Industrial Work Experience Scheme,
Wow. Okay.
and it's a mandatory part of the ND program.
Okay.
It's a full semester,
Wow.
3 to 4 months.
So that's not just
As you can see, it is summarizing and also diving deep, giving me clear understanding on about the PDF document, PDF note or PDF file which I just uploaded here. See it?
just an internship. That's like,
Immersed in a real industry setting.
yeah, that's diving in.
Diving headfirst, yeah.
The curriculum emphasizes that failing Psi means failing the entire program,
That's right.
regardless of how well you do in your classes.
Doesn't matter how well you do in class.
They're serious about this.
They're serious about it.
It speaks volumes
Yeah.
about how much they value this practical skills component.
Yeah.
But it's not just throwing students into the deep end.
You see it? And also you can share it by clicking on this share. Wait for it. Copy the link and then share it to your friend. Now you can save the note by going back here. Here you see it, and also you can write the name by clicking here and write the name and then click on save. If you are watching for the first time, like, subscribe and click on the bell icon so you will not miss out on my AI tutorial and application guide. Now watch these videos on the screen in order to know how to use these helpful AI tools. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Peace.